All right, you can see I got an air leak due to the nail right there. Now we're going to test one of these screw-in rubber plugs that's been advertised on the internet. We'll see how it works. I think I got a bite on it. Woo, it's in there tight. I've pulled a lot of these, but this one is really tough. Turn the camera off till I get that out. I know y'all are looking for the grand finale. Everybody's pulled nails out. We'll be right back after I get the nail out. After a lot of pulling effort, I thought it's not coming out like a nail. So what I've been able to do, get a bite on it and turn it because it's a screw. Now, this tool here is one of the best tools I own for pulling nails out, especially for finished nails out of furniture. I'm going to try it. This is the first time here, but here we go. Awesome. There's our little screw. This is an awesome tool. You ought to have one of these in the toolbox. It can grab and pull anything. All right. Let's see what we're going to go back with. We're going to open the capsule. And get this out. Have to squeeze the capsule to get it out because it is covered with rubbing compound. Now in the kit, they give you this little tiny Phillips screwdriver just for the jokes. We're gonna give it a shot, but I don't believe I'm gonna get much out of it. But we'll see. A lot of pressure. Well, in an emergency, that'll work. But I'm gonna use my regular screwdriver and get a little more leverage, I think. We'll see. Okay. Bring the camera around here. There's my plug. Well, there was a metal screw in it, kept him while the air was leaking. So that is down pretty flush now, I have to tell you folks. That was so much easier than the old put the plug in there with the fiber vulcanized material, you know, and pulling it back out. Here's the test. Let's shoot some water on it. We had no bubbles. Nothing. Well, so far, I'm a believer. I'm gonna pump it up and we'll check it again. I back the truck up, get the sunlight on it. There's my plug. I pumped it up to 35 pounds. Let's see, right there. Not this one. No air bubbles. Anyway, around that plug. So I'll be checking it every day, and I'll be back in touch and let you know how it's holding.